Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to center text in a Google Docs vertically and horizontally. So get let's started. At first open your docs file. Firstly, carry a text box and going to the insert menu option and click for the drawing option and click for the plus new option. Then waiting and click for the text box option and create a text box. This text box is a carrot text and this text is the all select text and go to the more menu option and click for the align option and click for the center align option. It's okay. Then click for the border color option and click for the transparent option. It's okay. And this text is a copy and keyboard press Ctrl plus Alt and mouse click copy. So again same process. And again click for the text box option and create a text box and click for the border color option and click for the black color and going to the border right option and click for 8px option. That's okay. And click for the save and close option. It's okay. Then I show the center text in a Google Docs vertically and horizontally. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.